How to reset Dyson Airwrap. So to be able to reset your Dyson Airwrap, what you can do is to go ahead and troubleshoot it before resetting it. So start by checking the power supply. Ensure the Dyson Airwrap is plugged in correctly. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Clean the filter if the LED is flashing white. Remove any hair or debris from the attachments. Inspect the cord for damage. If frayed, can contact Dyson support for replacement. Check that all attachments are secure. Remove and reattach them if loose. Verify the temperature and airflow settings. Adjust these controls to see if the device responds. If the air wrap still does not work, you can go ahead and proceed on resetting it. So to perform a factory reset on your Dyson Airwrap, what you'll need to do first is to unplug the device, wait for 30 seconds, plug it back in, turn on the Airwrap, and hold down the cool shut button for 10 seconds. The device should restart. If successful, the LED will flash and the Airwrap will function normally. And that is how you can easily reset your Dyson Airwrap.